Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to stake Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you will have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and after that you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here in the search bar, you simply need to search for Shiba Swap, and after that you need to press enter. Once done, you will be redirected on google.com where you are going to see the Shiba Swap URL. So you will have to tap on shibaswap.com and then you will be landed on the official website of Shiba Swap. Now over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Trust wallet with it. For that, you need to tap on the connect wallet button in the top, and then you just have to select Trust wallet, and after that you will have to just connect your Trust wallet with Shiba Swap. Then in order to stake your coin, you just have to scroll down, and in the body you are going to see the option of stake tokens. So you need to tap on stake tokens and then you will be landed on this staking page. Now once you are on this page, you will have to tap on bury SHIB option, and then you will be redirected on this page where you will have to enter the amount of Shiba Inu that you want to stake. After that, it will show you the APY that you are going to get in the top, and then you need to tap on this approve button. This way you will be able to easily stake your Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.